Ever wondered what GPT stands for? In the tech world, acronyms are as common as smartphones. They're everywhere, and while they can be confounding at times, they are vital to understanding the rapidly evolving landscape of technology. Today, we're going to explore one such acronym that has been making waves, GPT. Now you might be thinking, another acronym to remember? But fear not. This one is not just another set of random letters. It's a key player in the field of artificial intelligence, a technology that's transforming our world in ways we could have only dreamed of a few years ago. So, whether you're a tech enthusiast, a curious onlooker, or someone who just stumbled upon this video while browsing, let's embark on a journey of discovery together. Let's unravel the mystery of GPT and understand why it's creating such a buzz. Stay tuned to dive deep into the world of GPT. So what does GPT actually stand for? The suspense, the mystery. Well, let's unravel this enigma. GPT is an acronym for Generative Pre-training Transformer. It's quite a mouthful, isn't it? But don't let the jargon intimidate you. Let's break it down, shall we? Generative is all about creating something new. In this case, we're talking about generating human-like text. Pre-training refers to the initial phase where the model learns from a massive amount of data before it's fine-tuned for specific tasks. And transformer? No, it's not about those cool robots in disguise. In AI terms, it's a type of model that uses attention mechanisms to better understand the context of words in a sentence. This impressive piece of technology was developed by OpenAI, a research organization committed to advancing digital intelligence. Now that we know what GPT stands for, let's explore how it works. Ever thought about how GPT works its magic? Well, let's dive into the fascinating world of this language prediction model. You see, GPT, short for Generative Pre-trained Transformer, is akin to a master linguist. It has been trained on an enormous amount of text data, and its main job is to generate human-like text. But how does it do this, you ask? Well, it's all about predicting the likelihood of a word given the previous words used in the text. Picture it like this. Imagine you're reading a sentence, and you're trying to guess the next word. You'll probably base your guess on the words you've read so far, right? Well, that's exactly what GPT does, but on a much grander scale. Now, let's talk about the training process. It's a bit like teaching a child to speak, but instead of a human brain, we have a machine learning model. This model is fed a vast amount of text data and is then tasked with predicting the next word in a sentence. Every time it gets it right, it's rewarded, and every time it gets it wrong, it learns from the mistake. Over time, the model becomes better and better at its job, much like a child learning to speak more fluently. But there's more to it. GPT doesn't just learn words, it learns context, grammar, even some cultural nuances. It begins to understand that cat and dog are not just words, but concepts with meanings and associations. This is what we call semantic understanding, and it's a big part of why GPT can generate such convincing human-like text. So in a nutshell, GPT is a bit like a sophisticated parrot. It learns from the vast array of text data it's exposed to, and then uses what it's learned to predict and generate new sentences. The more data it's fed, the better it gets at its job. And the result? Well, you're looking at it. It's like a sophisticated guess game for the AI, isn't it? Wondering about the implications of GPT? Let's dive in. This advanced technology has made its way into numerous applications. Take chatbots as an example. GPT has revolutionized them, making them smarter, more responsive, and eerily human-like. And content generation? It's like having Shakespeare at your fingertips, crafting compelling narratives with just a simple prompt. But wait, there's more. GPT also shines in translation, breaking down language barriers with unprecedented ease and accuracy. In fact, the reach of GPT is so broad, it's even used in law enforcement, helping to decode cryptic messages and track down cybercriminals. Impressive, isn't it? The potential applications of GPT are vast and continually expanding. So we've embarked on a fascinating journey today, haven't we? We've discovered GPT, learning its meaning, unveiling the magic behind its workings, and examining its profound impact. Remember, GPT is just one of the many wonders of the AI world. Stay curious and keep exploring. Before we wrap up, here's a quick reminder. If you've enjoyed our journey into the world of GPT, don't forget to hit that like button. It's your way of telling us that you want more content like this. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content exploring the wonders of AI. Thanks for watching, everyone. Remember, stay curious and keep exploring.